Hey y'all, it's Cass. Welcome back to my channel. You guys, if you're new, I talk all about DIY content creation, and I'm super excited because for today's video, Movo sent me some lenses to try out for my phone. So we're taking DIY iPhone photos to the next level. So for this shoot for summer, I thought it'd be nice to get a yellow seamless paper backdrop. So I got my mustard yellow seamless paper backdrop from Savage. I'll link it below if you guys want access to that. And then I just used my two studio lights along with my Philips Hue bulbs inside of them. We'll also link the information to that below. I'm shooting on my iPhone, you guys. I have tons of videos that break down different ways to shoot on your iPhone. You want about 5 different ways to shoot on your iPhone, but for this method, I'm just connecting my phone to my computer, opening up the QuickTime app, creating a new movie recording, and then I can actually see my phone on my computer screen. Again, I'll link a video on how to do that below. And then for my iPhone tripod, if you know, you know, I just have a makeshift iPhone tripod that I made out of a selfie stick and a cheap tripod from Target. But of course, now they make iPhone tripods that are affordable, so you can just hop on Amazon or your preferred platform and purchase one. But let's get it. So Movo sent me 3 beautiful lenses, and I decided to start with the biggest one. So I used the Movo 18 millimeter wide angle lens. It's super cool. It just clips onto the camera. It actually comes unscrewed from the clip, and it has really nice packaging to protect it and a nice little lens cap and everything. But basically you just clip it on and it does some amazing stuff.
She said that she hate me, I hate me too. I can always tell when you're lying, girl, you're see-through. All these miles away, yeah, I just wanna see you. Baby, give me good faith, she hit me like seafood. Remember when I saw you, hi, it's nice to meet you. Know my old girl salty, she just wanna be you. I'm a dog, no Maltese, I don't wanna leave you. Once you're right here, I just don't wanna mistreat you, no. Cause I've been a douchebag before, baby girl, I don't wanna repeat. She just won't please me, she look in my eyes, told me why are you bleeding? And I don't even know how to answer. I take these drugs to my bladder. She says she noticed a pattern. She say I look gorgeous, I tell her I'm flattered. But I hate my reflection. When I look at you, all I see is perfection. I'm so depressed and I don't know the reason, just wanna feel better. Hate my reflection. When I look at you, all I see is perfection. I'm so depressed and I don't know the reason, just hope I feel better.
After that, you guys, I used the Movo telephoto lens, 3x telephoto lens. Super dope lens for portraits. You're trying to get closer to something. This did a really great job with that. So again, same method, just screws on, comes with its own protective lens cap, all that good stuff.
Don't know the reason, just hope I feel better. I just hope I feel better. You said that you love me, don't know if it's still true. Hate it when you're not here, love it when I'm with you. You say you don't trust me, all the shit we've been through. Why you always upset? I don't really get you, I don't really get you. Why should I always gotta be so stressful? Baby, can you tell me why are you so vengeful? I don't understand you, I can't live without you, but I can't fucking stand you. I'm just so obsessed, I should take better care of myself, but fuck it. Blacked out in public, on that like she upset, but I know she love it. I hate my reflection, when I look at you, all I see is perfection. I'm so depressed and I don't know the reason, just wanna feel better. Hate my reflection, when I look at you, all I see is perfection. I'm so depressed and I don't know the reason, just hope I feel better. Don't know the reason, just hope I feel better.
Lastly, I was super excited for this one. It's the Super Fisheye lens. I love like the look of fisheye. It gives me like Missy Elliott vibes. So this was the last one I decided to try. Super cool. Gave an exaggerated fisheye. If you guys saw, I used to use like a clip-on lens in my DIY iPhone magazine photo shoot cover video. So that one was just some one that I probably just got from like Best Buy when I was in the aisle, like just grabbed it real quick. But this one was really nice. I love how these photos came out as well. So those are the 3 Movo lenses, you guys. I really love them. I see a lot of people creating more content on their phones. I'm creating more content on my phone. Even the extra fisheye lens I thought would be dope for like vlogging and different things. So definitely, guys, recommend these 3 lenses. Check them out. Check out all of the things Movo has to offer for your mobile phone. Lots of stuff. I always say no excuses. You can do it on the device that you already have, you guys. But I hope you all enjoyed this video. I'll be back with so much more videos. If you guys have been keeping up with me on Instagram, you know I have been moving. I'm moving into my own apartment, and it's just been a process and has taken a lot out of me, so I've been a little slower with recording videos, but they coming, I promise. See you on the next one.